11:11 guys, and it's the 2nd of December. Welcome to our new vlogmas. Wishing you so much happiness.
जय माता दी सारे बोलो
Jai Mata Di, Jai Mata Di.
11
We just finished making a vlog. We just finished making a podcast. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is one of those cozy stay-at-home kind of days where I'm just in my element. Look at my little setup. I've got my fairy little lights twinkling there, my fuzzy blanket keeping me warm, and my hot cocoa drink right here.
We are diving into the magic of Christmas traditions. Yes, Christmas is coming, and today we'll share how creating our own unique ways can bring joy, meaning, and a whole lot of fun to the whole season.
Exactly. Traditions are such a beautiful way to connect, right?
Right.
With each other and with the people and even the pets.
We love.
So they give
Love
us
pets.
something to look forward to, create memories we can cherish forever, and make the festive season even more special. Prince is sitting here. His darling is somewhere else. And there's one more here. See. Hello. She's busy taking a nap. She doesn't want to be disturbed. And I love this blanket. So Christmassy.
We wish you a merry Viplav and a happy Narita. That's right. What you said. And the best part is, traditions can be whatever you want them to be. So today, we'll be talking about some thoughtful, fun, and even pet-friendly traditions you can start this Christmas to spread joy and keep the spirit alive.
So sweet. Yeah. फिर स्टार्टिंग में बात करेंगे कि ट्रेडिशंस जो है वो क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है. Why are the traditions important? So let's start with the why. These traditions like matter so much. They're not just like rituals that are moments, right? They are moments that ground us in love and gratitude. When we create traditions, we are saying, this is worth remembering. This is worth celebrating.
Absolutely. Traditions, they also bring people closure.
Right.
Right. Whether you're doing something small, like घर सजा रहे हैं, ट्री सजा रहे हैं, or something very big like कोई Christmas party throw कर रहे हैं, right? It's a small like moments like this which is shared with everybody. That's what matters. The feelings, the joy of those matters, of those moments.
So, and the best part is, these traditions is evolving. Like it evolves over time. That's why it's called tradition. Right? You don't have to stick to old rules. You can invent your own, and that's what we're going to talk about today. The unique traditions that are meaningful, that are fun, and that is full of love.
Right. So हमारा we talk about thoughtful and unique Christmas traditions.
Christmas tradition.
Right. So हम क्या कर सकते हैं, कैसे बना सकते हैं? If we don't have, then we can start creating some traditions, right? So let's kick off things with some thoughtful traditions, right? So these are all about cherishing memories and focus on what you really want, right? For example, number one can be a memory jar tradition.
Wow.
Right? So create a memory jar, where you can write down your favorite moments from the year and open it together on a Christmas Eve.
Right.
Everybody's memory together.
Wow.
It will be a very beautiful way to reflect on everything that you have been grateful throughout the year. It will also remind you all that you have gone through the year.
So cute, so magical.
Right.
I think we can start a kindness advent calendar, something like that. Like replace chocolates with daily acts of kindness. like helping a stranger, writing a thank you note, donating to charity. You can even involve, I think, pets by doing some extra treats or a special walk that day.
Okay. Huh. That is fun, walking with a pet, especially if your pet is a cat
And a dog also.
and they
is
don't
cute.
want to walk. So, and then you can have a wish tree sheriff ceremony.
Yeah.
So you can set up a wish tree,
Yeah.
you know, where you hang written wishes for yourselves, for each other. क्या हमको चाहिए, क्या positivity लाना चाहते हैं, क्या
Right.
what you want. And just make sure कि अच्छी writing में
Wishes.
लिखा
That's
हो.
so beautiful. Right.
Write it on nice papers and write it in a good writing so that it looks nice.
Right.
और उसको bulb पे भी चिपका सकते हैं, right?
So beautiful. Just talking
Right.
about it is giving so much of a vibe.
Hmm.
Also, like a Christmas gratitude feast.
Hmm.
You know, where you are celebrating, having everyone share their meals together and celebrating like what they're grateful for. Don't forget, like, you know, the pets also, so that you can give them a treat too. And by the end of it, so you can do a gratitude feast while
Right.
eating something also.
Right. So next one more.
Handmade ornaments.
Yeah, you can create something.
Yeah.
That's always fun doing some DIY.
Yeah.
Create some ornament. Pet themed. It could be a pet themed ornament. So
Paw
pet will-
prints or photos.
Yeah, so your
Yeah.
pet will also have fun because you will create something for your pet and then your pet will also be happy. Oh,
Yeah.
wow, see what I got.
Yeah.
Right.
That's nice.
Yeah, very nice.
I think there can be we can make a segment for fun and interactive traditions,
Right.
right? So now let's move on to the fun stuff, right? So these traditions are all about laughter and bonding. So firstly, like Christmas scavenger hunt, you know, hide little gifts for or like notes for your loved ones and around the home with clues leading you to a grand prize. You know, your pet can also join in the fun by helping sniff out the clues. Like we have a dog also can sniff out the clues with like
but our
little treats in
cat
there.
will not do it. हमारे cat सब पे मिट्टी डाल देगा.
Or find
Imagine
their
it.
own treats. Like they can find their own treats
Yeah, but
with a
our-
gift there.
Yeah, but our cat will put मिट्टी on everything.
Yeah.
So सब पे जाएगा और जाके इमेजिनरी मिट्टी डाल के आ जाएगा. ऐसे 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 करके. So next is एक movie marathon you can do.
I love that.
Yeah.
We already do it so much.
Yeah,
It's so fun.
get cozy.
Yeah.
You know, watch, like make some nice snacks, some cocoa,
Like a hot
some,
cocoa.
yeah, hot cocoa, some like nice sweet dish like a cake or something, right? And
Watch
with
movie.
some popcorn, get inside a blanket, turn on a nice movie,
Ah, amazing.
right? And that's very nice.
Then like a Christmas photo shoot. You know, set up a festive photo shoot prop. You know, for Christmas, where you know you can click pictures with your partner or your pets, and they even become personalized Christmas cards with your cute pictures. So beautiful way to cherish these moments.
Now, if you love to cook, if you're someone who likes cooking a lot, then you can make a cookie decorating party. It's not for everyone. It's for those people who actually have some skills or who can do something like this. So a cookie.
Everybody can try.
Everybody can try.
Yeah.
Yeah. But there has to be someone who can cook. Otherwise, nobody will get anything to eat. Right. So it'll not be fun. And your pets can also join. They can cook their own treats.
Yeah, I think also Christmas is all about bonding. So maybe storytelling. You know,
It's also
write
about the
a
story
short
of
Christmas
Santa.
story together and read it aloud, like making the become the author. Don't forget to include your pet as a character in the story. Yeah, that will be interesting because
Yeah.
when you think, imagine, and make a story around something, that is also really cool.
Yeah. And Christmas, cold nights, cold winter nights, they're all about your imagination and your stories.
Right.
Now we can talk about some traditions which are more meaningful, not
Yeah.
just fun, but they give something back, right? So the spirit of Christmas is, it's about giving.
Yeah.
So some things that can, like some kind of activity that you can do that help spread kindness and joy and also give. So you start.
Maybe like visit a pet shelter and spend Christmas morning, maybe donating toys, food, or even blankets to local animals and local animal shelter because they also need the love. So your pet can also come along
Yeah.
and then do the charity to other pets.
Yeah.
There are so many stray dogs out there.
And then you can do neighborhood mein also, nearby whatever people you
Yeah.
found, you can go to your neighbors, give them some baked items, some small gifts,
That's so sweet.
And if there is another neighbor which have a pet, so you can take your pet together and have a nice
Make a holiday mascot
and have
wearing a
nice
little outfit.
pet friendly meeting
Yeah.
with the neighbors, get to know them and their pets also.
That's so cute.
Right.
Now, at the end of the day, these traditions are not about perfection, they are about connection. right?
Right.
They're a way to make every Christmas memorable in its own way, own special way.
Right. It's true. Traditions are fun,
Yeah.
especially if they last long.
Yeah.
Right. Like for example, Diwali lasting for so many thousands of years.
Right.
Right. So this year we encourage you to start your own unique tradition, whether it's something like baking cookies, or making something for your pets, or even like a wish tree that we talked about, or giving back to the society. Anything that you love.
Yeah.
That you want to do. Yeah. Please
That's
start.
it for today's episode. Hope these ideas inspire you to bring more joy and creativity into your life in this Christmas celebration.
Yep.
And this feeling, while talking only, it's creating so much of joy and happiness.
Yeah. And
So-
we have like some kind of Santa theme also going on.
Yeah.
With red everything. Yeah. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to share your own traditions with us if anybody is watching. And if you watch it next year in summers, please still tell us what you did.
Yeah.
in
Stay
last
happy.
Christmas. Right. Stay connected. Stay happy. And please like our video and subscribe to our channel. And
Yeah,
if you
do
find
subscribe.
something meaningful, then share it also.
Sending you lots of love and lots of good wishes for this Christmas and always.
Oh, no. Christmas is still very far away. So maybe हम बहुत सारे और videos
Yeah,
बनाएंगे.
I will make a video.
Yeah.
Actually, this is going to be like Vlogmas kind of podcast. This is the situation in my room. I have put some fairy lights on the wall to make it like all Christmassy and cute, right? Look at the throw pillows that I have. It's all red themed with some pinks out there. And I really like how cozy my room is actually looking right now. And here's my amazing husband. He's working, busy.
Have you
Smile.
uploaded the thumbnail?
Yes. Hi.
Have you uploaded the thumbnail?
Yes. Here's the situation in my room. I've lit some candles. And there's like the tea that I made. This is Neem Karoli Baba, with whose blessings life is blessed. And I put a little collage out here on my room. Kind of makes me feel like quite Pinteresty. And this is the bookshelf. So here is a little memento. Yeah, that we got from Manali when Viplav and I had gone to Manali for the first time. And these are some candles from our brand. You are made of stardust. And this is my lovely Ganeshji, with whose blessings there are no blockages in life. And yes, that's how my room's looking right now. And now I have taken a cup of hot water. And today I got my first gift. Like, oh yes, this is Prince. Say hello. Say hello, baby. Say hello, Prince. Beautiful darling. She's such an adorable baby. So cute. Okay, so let's start. So I've got my journal here, and I'm listing out all the things that I want to do in this Christmas. First, let's talk about decorations. I'm planning to get a gorgeous Christmas tree, maybe something with a mix of gold and white and a little sparkle. Then, of course, we'll decorate a home with wreaths, garlands, and all the twinkling lights. I want to make this DIY jar filled with like memories that actually we can start doing today. Yeah. So first of all, I will write down in my journal now: Christmas tree shopping, DIY decorations, visiting a Christmas market, hosting a cozy movie night, doing festive photo shoot. And doesn't this sound like so much fun? I can't even wait to share each of these moments with you in the upcoming Vlogmas episodes. But today I'm keeping it simple with a cute DIY project. Oh my god, look who's here. Hi, this is my brother, Nerit, and he's got some special dinner for Christmas.
3rd December.
Okay, it's 3rd December. Sometimes I forget. So we got a thali, and now we're going to eat here. How do you like the vibe of the room?
Very nice.
How nice. This is a chamomile tea, and there's a beautiful cup. Says you made magical. Aw, so cute. My brother wants me to do a reading for him now.
This is good tea.
So, বাচ্চাই আমার কিতা হই দাঁড়িতা হ্যাঁ তা ঠিক না নি
Oh.
So I wrote it all in my journal. Christmas tree shopping, DIY decorations, starting today, visiting a Christmas market, hosting a cozy movie night, and doing a festive photo shoot with everybody, including with love, because it's our first Christmas after getting married. Okay. So now my brother wants me to do him a tarot reading, and this is also quite important because he has to make an important decision, and I practice tarot. I mean, I'm a tarot reader also, so I have to take this time and the opportunity to give him a nice reading.